Hey everyone, and welcome back to GoHighLevel 360. In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a collection inside your GoHighLevel account. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Once you're logged into GoHighLevel, you're going to want to go down to the Payments tab on the left-hand side of your account. From here, you're going to go up to the top of your screen. You're going to see all these other different tabs, and I want you to go over to the right under Products, and then there's going to be a drop-down menu, and we're going to select Collections. All right, from here, Collections is going to pop up, and what we want to do is we want to go to the big blue button on the right-hand side and click on Create Collection. Okay, now the first two things it's going to ask you for is going to be the collection name and image. Now the image is not mandatory, so you don't have to put an image in here. However, the collection name is, so go ahead and give your collection a name. Okay, so I went ahead and labeled mine New Collection, but if you're selling stuff like snapshots, as you can see over here, I have a category for snapshots. I also have one for marketing services. You could do a collection for shirts, and then you could put all of your products that are different shirts within that collection as an idea. So go ahead and give your collection a name, and then if you want to add a photo, go ahead and click on the Add Image button. It's going to open up your GoHighLevel media, and then you can go ahead and select an image. And then I'll just use this one as an example. All right, now under additional options, if you click on this drop down, it's going to give you the SEO title, description, and handle. So it automatically inputs the handle as the collection name that you entered, but you can go ahead and add in an SEO title and description here as well. All right, once that's done, you can go ahead and click on Add, and now you have a new collection. Okay, so now in order to add products to that collection, what you want to do is go back up to the Products tab at the top and then click on Products. And then from here, you're going to be able to create a product if you don't have any in here already. If you do, just go to the top right-hand side with where this blue button is and click on it. All right, and it's going to take you into the product details. Go ahead and give your product a title and description. You can upload image if you want to, but right under the image option is where it says product collection, and this is where you can actually attach that product to that new collection that you just created. So yeah, that is how you can add or create a new collection inside your GoHighLevel account. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and leave a like down below. If you have any questions or need help with GoHighLevel, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section down below. And as always, if you guys liked this video and you want to see more GoHighLevel how-tos, tutorials, and content like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.